you doing? I hope you are feeling good. How is everything with you? If you are returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my content. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for the comments. I really appreciate you. And if you are coming across this channel for the first time, I want to say a very big welcome to you. Please feel free to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get to see more of my videos. On my channel today, I'll be showing us how much YouTube pay me for 100 views. You know, I've seen a lot of videos whereby big YouTubers shows how much YouTube pay them for 50,000 views, 100,000 views, 500,000 views, and so on and so forth. So this video is specifically for us, upcoming big YouTubers. Yes, we are still upcoming, but someday we are going to become big YouTubers. So that is why I made this video, just to encourage us upcoming big YouTubers that at least if our videos has not started getting 100,000 views, 1 million views for now, at least with the little views we are having, let's have an idea on how much we are actually earning from our small views, from the small views we are getting now. So that is why I made this video on how much YouTube pay me for 100 views. So now I'll be going through my YouTube analytics in order for me to show you how much YouTube pay me for 100 views. Now this is the video how I monetize my second channel so that you get in 50 days. So now let's go to the analysis of the video. So this video has gotten 130 views since published, and how viewers found this video. Viewers found this video through traffic source, channel pages 51, external 26, YouTube recommendation 24, direct or unknown 11, others 15. So now let's go to the audience retention. So audience has watched these videos for 3 minutes 39 seconds. So this video has gotten 7.8 watch hour since published. So now the next one is subscribers. This video has gotten 4 subscribers since published, and that is not bad. So now let's go to the next one, which is the reach. So this video has reached 940. So this video has 940 impressions. So that means this video has been shown to 940 people, and out of that 940 people, only 130 decide to view. Wow, that is very poor. And how viewers find this video? Viewers find this video through channel pages, that is 39.2%, browse features 20%, external, direct or unknown, and others. External sites or apps that people watch this video. People watch this video through WhatsApp. Normally, I don't share my videos to WhatsApp, but this particular video, I remember I shared it on my WhatsApp page because that was when I just got monetized on this second channel. So the impression click-through rate is 3.4%, and this video has 69 unique viewers. So the next one is the engagement. Like I said before, this video has 7.8 watch hour since published, and I have remixed this video into short once. That is where it shows total remix. So I've used this video to create short video once. And also the audience retention is 36.3%. So now the next one, so the audience retention is 30. The average views duration is 3 minutes 37 seconds, like I said earlier. And now the next one I'm going to be showing us is the audience. So this video has 69 unique viewers. Audience by watch behavior. So new viewers, that is those that come in contact with this channel for the first time is 72.5%. And we have casual viewers. That is, they are neither new nor regular. So they just watch at their convenience. So casual viewers, we have 24.6%. And also we have regular viewers, those that watch the content, those that watch my content regularly. So those ones are 2.9%. Viewers also watch. This means the people that watch this content also watch my other content too. So they also watch this content listed below, or my content that says 8 things to avoid copyright and all. So device type, where people watch this content from, they watch through mobile, that is 89.7%, through computer 8.3%, tablet 1.7%, and also TV 0.2%. Age of the people that watch this video, nothing to show for this data, and also gender, nothing to show for this data. And top geographics, that is where people watch this video from. Mostly where people watch this video from, it says Nigeria, and this is what amazes me, because I've always heard that when your viewers are mainly from Nigeria, the possibility that your CPM is going to be low is very high. But this particular video, my top geography says Nigeria, and still the CPM is still very high. So we are going to get there after this. So we have top subtitles, CC languages, no subtitles. So now let's go to the main purpose of making this video. That is the revenue. So like I said before, this video has gotten 130 views, and that 130 views has earned me $1.08. How come? How possible? This is a video that is not even up to 150 views, and yet it has given me $1.08. So how you make money? I make money through watch paid ads, 100%. So this is where it's get interesting. Video performance, estimated revenue. This video has given me $1.08, like I said before, and the RPM of this video is $8.35. That is 1,000 people watch this content. YouTube is going to be paying me $8.35. That is huge. Those that are into YouTube content, they know that this is a very high RPM for a Nigerian content creator. Like, you are earning $8.35 for 1,000 views. That is huge, and it amazes me. And the another one is how much advertisers pay. So this shows how much advertisers pay YouTube if this video has gotten 1,000 views. So advertisers is going to pay YouTube for $13.89. And out of that $13.89 that advertisers will be paying YouTube, YouTube is going to be paying me $8.35. That is huge. So that is it about how much YouTube pay me for 130 views. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you get to see more of my videos when I post. Thank you for watching. Bye.